Hi guys, my name is Dema. Today we continue trading on binary options, but before we start, please subscribe to the channel, put a like, write a comment, come to my Telegram, write me the comment private if you want to see the trading signals with a yield of 85%. It is very cool. And if you want to copy my strategy to earn money with me, to ask any questions, come to there too. So we are starting. Hi guys, today we are trading on Quotex platform and we have $10 in our deposit, and our goal today is to get $20,000. So the first citation where we are going to work out, it is the resistance level. I have set the horizontal line for the highest values of these candles in the late time. This will be our resistance level. So guys, at the moment we can see that the price hasn't reached our level a little and is rolling down. Now I will set the internal resistance level for these values. You can visually see the price made a few touches of this level. The price just came up to this level, and I would like to open here a trade for 3 minutes with up. I think that this level will get the pullback up, and 3 minutes will be quite enough here, expecting a small flat or the slight attenuation of the price. It's great guys, after a small flat from this level there was a small pullback up, and here we are getting the great profit. So let's look at the next situation. Here we can see the support level. Also we can see that the price hasn't possibly come to our level. After it happened, small pullback. After the pullback, price starts breaking through our level. There is impulsive downward movement. I suggest opening here for 1 minute with up, because after the impulsive breakthrough of this level there will be a pullback. Also I can see that price has stopped and there is a green candlestick showing up. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's great guys, after the breaking through of our level there was a pullback up, and here we are getting the great profit. So the next trade I would like to open right here after a while, because after the breaking through of the support level the price returned up and stopped at the internal level of the resistance. But the price doesn't roll back from our level, but there is a sticking to that. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with the reserve, expecting that if there will be a small pullback or a small flat, then the price will go higher and then break through our inner resistance level. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's great guys, the upward movement continued, and here we're getting the great profit. The price moved with a low volatility and came to our inner resistance level, but we didn't wait for the breakthrough of this level, but anyway the price went up. So let's move on to the next citation. Okay guys, here we can see the impulsive movement of the price. At the moment the price is coming to the inner support level. I marked it with a broken line. I suggest opening here with up 1 minute at the pullback of the level. We can see that there was a good reaction from this level, then it was the breakthrough of the level, and now the price has come again from this level from top to bottom. And I think that there will be a pullback, at least small, in 1 minute. So let's watch the results. Awesome guys, there was a little pullback and here we're getting the great profit. So let's move on to the next citation. Here we can see the support level. Also we can see that at the moment the price is breaking through the level. I suggest waiting here for the fate of the green candlestick and then open a trade with down for 1 minute. After the impulsive breakthrough of the level there will be a pullback down. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's awesome guys, there was a good pullback down and here we are getting the awesome profit. So let's move on to the next citation. Here we can see the support level. Also we can see the good impulsive movement of the price down to our level. I suggest opening here with up for 1 minute. I think that after the good impulsive movement down from this level there will be a good pullback. So let's wait for the results. Well guys, it's awesome. As I assumed from this level, there was a good pullback up, and here we are getting the awesome profit. The next trade I would like to work out right here. Now we will wait for the end of the pullback of the green candlesticks and see how the price will behave further. Because if it drops up again to our level, I would like to open a trade for a decrease for 2 minutes, because further this level will be broken through. So guys, let's open a trade for $300 for 2 minutes for a decrease at the breakthrough of this level. So let's watch the results. Well guys, from this level there was another pullback up, and after that the level has been broken through, and 2 minutes were quite enough here. Here we are getting the brilliant profit. So we already have $573 on our deposit, so let's keep on our trading. Here we can see the resistance level. Also a little lower we can notice a certain area that the price touched several times and rolled down. But the main resistance level is higher. We have it yellow line marked. Also we can see that recently the price is sticking to this area of resistance. So I would like to wait for the touch of our resistance level and then open a trade with down at the pullback for 1 minute. I think that this area will have the pullback down. So guys, let's open a trade for down. Let's wait for the results. It's great guys, there is a small pullback down from this level. Here we are getting the brilliant profit. Well, let's move on to the next citation. Here we are setting the support level. This is the lower point in the last 2 hours. Now let's return to the beginning of our chart. Here we can see a good downtrend. Also we can see that our support level that we said before. I would like to open a trade here for 5 minutes with down according to the downtrend. I think that the price will continue to move at least to our support level. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's great guys, 5 minutes was quite enough here and our trade is closed in the profit. We also can see that after the approach to our level there was a small pullback. After that our level was broken through. So guys, on our deposit we have $1,711. So I would like to continue and move on to the next citation. Here we can see the resistance level. Also we can see that the price has touched this level already 2 times. At the moment it is approaching our level 3rd time. Also we can see the price maximum is getting higher and higher, thereby sticking to our level. And I would like to open a trade for 3 minutes at the breakthrough of the level. So let's open a trade with up. Well guys, it's good. After the small flat, the price has gone higher and broke through our resistance level. Here we're getting the excellent profit. So let's continue. Here we can see the support level. Also we can see the internal resistance level. At the moment the price is sticking to our resistance level and is going higher. I would like to open a trade here with the reserve for 5 minutes, expecting that the price is going to break through this level and go higher, because the support level hasn't been broken through yet, and now it's becoming the trend upward movement. So guys, let's wait for the results. Excellent guys, the upward movement continues and here we are getting the great profit. The price is going quite slowly but strongly. The bull market is getting momentum after a powerful bearish fall, you know. So guys, let's look at the next situation. Here we can see an oblique uptrend line. Also we can see a horizontal resistance level line. This market citation somewhat resembles the figure of technical analysis, you know, the ascending triangle. And I would like to open a trade for 5 minutes here with up, expecting that from the oblique line of the ascending the trend, there will be an upward movement to the main resistance level. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's excellent, guys. After a small flat, the price has already gone higher, and here we are getting the excellent profit. So we already have $4,745 on our deposit. Well, that's not bad. Let's continue. Here we can see the internal resistance level. I marked it with the broken line. We also can see that at the moment the price is right at our level. It has approached it and begins to pull back. So I would like to open a trade for 1 minute with up, expecting that from this level there will be an upward momentum. The level is strong enough and the upward movement is already begun. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's excellent, guys. From this level there was a good upward impulse, and here we're getting the excellent profit. So the next trade I would like to open right here. Let's wait for where exactly the price will go, and if the upward momentum continues, we will wait for the touch of our resistance level and then open a trade way down. If the price approaches our internal support level again, then we will wait for a touch, and if from this level there will be a pullback, we will open a trade way up, expecting that there will be another pullback up, because as I said, the level is very strong. It can be noticed by the reaction of the price at this level. So guys, the price has approached our internal support level and begins to fall. So let's open a trade with up. I think 1 minute will be quite enough. So let's wait for the results. It's great, guys. After a small flat, there was an upward impulse from this level, and here we are getting the great profit. So our deposit now is $12,125 now deposit. So I would like to continue to achieve our goal. So let's look at the next citation. Here we can see the resistance level. Also we can see that the price is quite confidently and possibly approaching our level. So I would like to open a trade for literally 1 minute with down at a pullback from the resistance level. I think that this level will get a good pullback, and 1 minute will be quite enough here. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's great, guys. From this level there was a good pullback down. Here we're getting the great profit. So we have already $18,000 on our deposit, and I would like to open the next trade for $3,000 to get the desired amount on my deposit of $20,000, you know. So the next trade I would like to open right here for 3 minutes, expecting that there will be the breakthrough of the level, and then the price will go higher. Since the price hasn't gone far and it's sticking to the level, the price returns to our resistance level again. So let's open the trade with up for 3 minutes with the reserve at the breakthrough of the level. So it's awesome, guys. The price continued its upward movement and our resistance level was broken through, and here we are getting the awesome, brilliant profit. So we already have $20,525 on our deposit, and I have reached my today's goal, and we can complete our trading. So absolutely all our transactions were closed in the profit. We got our desired results. So guys, it's very cool that you have been trading with me today, and if you are interested in it, and if you would like to copy my strategy, to know more details about my technique, just come to my Telegram, write me the code word private. I will add it to this private chat where you can look all the trading signals that I post there. You can copy my strategy. You can ask me any question about this. Also, if you can, for example, doubt, you can look at the link in the description under this video. Yes, about the reviews about this private chat. You can check it yourself. So just come, do not hesitate. If you want to earn money right now, do that. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and I'm waiting for your messages in my Telegram.